We're in a war with Iran for regime change. God knows what will happen, if there will be boots on the ground. And I am more fearful if we win than if we lose. If we lose, honestly, I'm relieved. If we win, they're building the third temple. And what happens then? Is there going to be another earthquake? Will they succeed? And if they succeed, I think that's it. For the planet, I think that's the end of everything. So it's getting a little bit scary, and I'm not liking it. I want to go back. Can we rewind a little bit here? You know, it's all okay. Very good. Very funny. Yes. Vindicated again. Red pill is correct as always. But can we just go back a little bit? It's getting a little bit too real. That's the thing. I don't know that I like being right. Everybody is telling me, you're right. You're right about everything. We were wrong. We shouldn't have voted for Trump. And at this point, as much as I love being right, I think I would like being wrong now more.